Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to show you the new DeerRun A1 Pro Smart Treadmill. This is the pro-grade treadmill designed to bring power, comfort, and convenience right into your home. And it looks really sleek in this all-black design. Setup couldn't be easier. The A1 Pro comes nearly fully assembled right out of the box. All you do is unfold it, attach the handrail and the storage tray, plug it in, and you're ready to go. No complicated tools, no stress. You'll be walking or running within minutes. The A1 Pro's sleek black finish fits perfectly into any home space, from your living room to your office corner to your home gym. It's slim, modern, and built with industrial-grade frame that supports up to 350 pounds. When you're done, just fold the handles down and roll it under a bed or a sofa or in between closets. It's really ideal for small apartments or tight spaces. Under the hood, the A1 Pro delivers impressive power with a 3.5 horsepower motor, capable of speeds up to 10 miles an hour or 16 kilometers per hour. It also features a 6-degree incline, so you can challenge yourself and stimulate uphill runs for better cardio and calorie burn. It's strong, smooth, and whisper quiet, perfect for workouts any time of the day. One of my favorite things about the A1 Pro is the wireless remote control. It lets you adjust your speed or stop instantly without reaching for the screen, keeping your balance and focus during every run. It's safer, smarter, and makes your workout flow naturally. The built-in storage tray makes it easy to watch your favorite shows, scroll your phone, or follow a guided workout while walking. It's great for multitasking, whether you're taking a call, catching up on videos, or just relaxing after work. It's a treadmill that fits seamlessly into your everyday routine. The A1 Pro connects via Bluetooth to the PitPat app, giving you full control right from your phone. You can track your speed, your distance, and calories. Even join online running challenges for motivation. The app keeps your progress organized and turns fitness into something fun and rewarding. What really stands out about the A1 Pro is how easy it makes fitness fit in your life. You can walk while watching TV, jog before work, or get in a run after dinner, all in the comfort of your own home. It's powerful, quiet, and built to help you stay consistent every single day. So if you're ready to meet a better version of yourself, your pro-grade smart home gym starts here with the DeerRun A1 Pro. During Black Friday event, you can get the biggest discount of the year. Link is mentioned in the description. Check it out now and start your fitness journey from the comfort of your own home.